Hey y'all, I'm back with my girl Jayla and we're back with another hair tutorial. Today we are doing the fringe bang side part viral TikTok hairstyle. So if you want to see how this hairstyle comes out, stay tuned to the end. We are starting with the same ball cap method. And the wig that we are using today is Vanity Affair Vein Straight 24-inch transparent lace frontal wig, 150 density. And this is literally the 5th install. Like if you go back on my YouTube page, we've been using this wig since July and it's still giving bust down. It's still giving what it's supposed to give. So you girls might want to go get you one of these. Right here we are reapplying that lace, so I'm just going ahead and matching the lace up with the glue, and I'm using my rat tail comb to press that lace on in. But right now we're doing the basic logistics. Y'all know, if y'all been here before, are using Hair by Erica J glue. All the products that I'm using today will be listed in my Amazon storefront, so no worries, just go ahead and click the link in my description box. As well, y'all can go ahead and go to vanityaffairco.com and use coupon code YouTube to save money on your wigs. And you could even pick up this lace band while you're at it, okay? Now that we have the logistics done, it's time to start straightening this bomb ass hair. And we are using Wig Shine heat protectant to straighten that hair out and get that nice shine to the hair.
I'm officially missing you. Ooh, can nobody do me like you? I said every little thing you do. Hey baby, say it stays on my mind. And I officially, it's official. Ooh, you know that I'm missing you, yeah. All I hear is raindrops. Ooh, yeah. I'm officially missing you. Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town.
Now that we have the hair all press, it's time to apply a little bit more shine to that hair. You see how it just turns out so nice and shiny and luscious? To achieve this style, I went ahead and parted the side part out first to make sure everything lines up for the style, because you know the most important part is the side part and the bang. So I'm just going ahead and getting my foundation right. And of course, we're always gonna hot comb because he is not with big wig no more. He is with flat. Like, don't play yourself. Make sure that wig is flat. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure y'all part them sections out. Use that wax stick and press with that hot comb. Don't miss those steps. You don't never want to play yourself. For the fringe bang, I did start at the arch of her left eyebrow and ended at the arch of her right eyebrow. Just a little tad bit. Once we do got the bang all right, we do pin that up and get started to working on the baby hairs. Once you have all of your baby hairs sectioned out, you're just going to want to use your Fantasia Spritz, your hot comb, and your melt band, and place your client underneath the dryer for a few minutes. Now, voila, from under the dryer, now it's time to get started on actually forming those baby hairs and getting that fringe bang done. If it's your first time tuning into one of my videos, make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you can be a part of the gang and don't miss out on any of our future tutorials, because all 2023 we're lit with tutorials. We're going to get the girls right, no gatekeeping here. So go ahead and subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. We can't forget about the men, period. For doing my baby hairs, I find that using mousse and gel is the most effective for me. I use the mousse at the top and the gel at the end just to provide a little bit of hold and keep the baby hair in place for me. It just works out.
Take my hand, finish my drink, say, shall we dance? Oh yeah, you know I love you, did I ever tell ya? You make it better like that. Don't think I fit in at this party. Everyone's got too much to say.
Once we're done with the baby hairs, I'm just going to use a wax strip in the blow dryer on cool for 10 minutes to get those baby hairs dried. The baby hairs are all dry. We're going to cut that wax strip off and begin working on that fringe bang. Love the way these baby hairs came out. They came out real cute. And my girl Jayla was hungry. Y'all, we got the best hot sausages at the shop. So I really don't blame her, because if I wasn't doing her hair, I would have been munching down too. So don't get a little frisky in the comments because my girl was munchy, because I would have been doing the crunch 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 same thing if I was hungry. Okay,
We at a party we don't wanna be at. Trying to talk but we can hear ourselves. Reach your lips, I'd rather kiss them right back.
be super careful with straightening that bang. You don't want to get nobody's forehead, so I just recommend using a comb. And then you see the bang is kind of up a little bit, but what I did to achieve a flat bang, which you'll see in the end, is I did use a wax strip to make sure that bang was just, down on her forehead instead of up high. But I wasn't taking no chances with putting that flat iron on her forehead, because I'm not finna burn her.
We miss you on your side.
Also, with cutting the bang, you're going to want to twist the bang and use a razor to cut it. Of course, it's not going to be straight when you initially cut it, but just keep playing with it. Use the razor and you're going to get the results that you're looking for. Don't expect that the first cut going to be the way it's going to be and that's it. Just make sure that you got room to wiggle with. So don't cut too short to begin with. Start a little bit longer and work your way up. Also, I do like a thin bang. I don't know, it's just my preference. I like a thin wispy bang. But if you guys did want to get more of a fuller bang for this look, just part out a little bit more hair. Don't go helmet head, but you can definitely part out a little bit more hair if this bang is too thin for your liking. The bang did take me a little minute to get correct, so don't stop until the bang is perfect. I even had to pluck a little bit more on the left side, but I just keep working with my baby because I know exactly how I want the style to look. So just eyeball what you want it to turn out looking like and make sure that you keep working on it until you achieve that style.
You said that you love me, but that turned out to never. It's cold outside, like when you walk out my life. Why'd you walk out my life? We could leave the Christmas lights up till January. This is our place, we make the rules. And there's dazzling haze, a mysterious way about you, dear. Have I known you 20 seconds or 20 years? Can I go where you go? Can we always be this close forever and ever?
Super pleased with the way the style came out. So now it's time to go ahead and perfect that part. So I did bend a rat tail comb and I used my Kiss Black spray to go ahead and get that part all crisp, nice and neat. And after we go ahead and spray that part, we're going to use our concealer from the LA Color Girls and just go ahead and get that part right too. Okay, y'all see how that part just parting? Yeah, doing what it's supposed to do. And here is the finished look. I did go ahead and cut some layers into the hair off camera. If you guys want to see that, go ahead and comment down in the comment section. After we were done cutting layers into the hair, I got another surprise for you. We actually went ahead and curled the hair as well. I love the way this style came out. If you guys do attempt this style, make sure y'all let me know down in the comment section. Tag me in y'all videos. Make sure that y'all like this video as well and subscribe to my channel because it don't stop here. So make sure y'all come back, join the family. Love you guys. See you in the next video.